In this short tutorial, you will learn how to add an echo effect to audio in CapCut. Adding an echo effect can make your audio sound more dynamic and interesting. To get started, open up the CapCut app, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's start a new project. Tap and select the video to which you want to add the echo effect. Once you've imported the video to the timeline, tap on it. And then swipe left on these options at the bottom until you see an option called Extract Audio. Tap on it. This will extract the audio from this video. After that, tap on the extracted audio. And then tap Voice Effects. And swipe these options to the left, and tap on the echo option. The echo effect has now been added to the audio. You can adjust these sliders to tweak the quantity and the strength of the echo effect. Once you are happy with how it sounds, tap on the checkmark at the bottom right to apply the effect. This is exactly how you can add an echo effect to audio in CapCut. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.